I made over $1,000 and all I had to do is copy and paste some text into this absolutely free software and go to www. This works for everyone around the world, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online since there is no selling, no affiliate marketing, no social media followers needed, and no previous experience required, because you just need to copy and paste some text. Those that will stay until the end of this video will be able to make a lot more money because I will be showing you 3 additional websites from which you can get paid. This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, so let us begin right and show you how you can use Google with one more free tool in order to get paid again and again, in order to make big money online quickly. All of this will quite literally require a lot less than 30 minutes if you follow all of the steps from this video. And in case PayPal is not available in your country, or you don't want to use PayPal, then I will show you how you can select other payment options as well. So, if you don't want to get paid through PayPal, you can select different payment options like bank transfer, Pioneer, Bitcoin, etc. Anyways, let us begin with step number 1. Step number 1, come over to google.com. Step number 2, go to the search bar and search for Google News. Once you search for Google News, I want you to open up the first and official website at news.google.com. This is the place where you can find the latest news and articles of all topics around the world. Hence, it's a virtual newspaper, and whatever news you can think of, you can find it here in Google News. Now, how will this process actually make you money? As I said, here on the left side, you have all the different categories. You have news about what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which is something that we will not focus on. Simply, we are going to focus only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and mostly health. As you can see, for example, if I select a health category here on the left side, that's going to give me all of the latest news and articles related to health. So, let's scroll and find something interesting here. So for example, this article. This was posted hours ago, and it's a really good article that a lot of people would click on. What you need to do is open up one of these articles. Find something that is interesting and that you think people would be interested in reading, and just click on that. And don't worry, you will not write articles. You will not sell anything or apply affiliate marketing. All you need to do is open up that article, and you just want to start copying text from that particular article. For example, I will copy this right here. I will copy that and proceed to step number 3. And to the third website that we will be using, spinbot.com. Here, you will need to paste that article which you found on Google News, and Spinbot will rewrite that article for you. So you can have that entire article in your own words, which means that way it becomes completely unique and you can use it for your own purpose. The output from spinbot.com will be then used in 3 more additional websites, which I'm going to share with you, which will pay you for those articles. Some of them are going to pay you $1 per word, and sometimes those articles have thousands of words, and you can just do the math and see exactly how much money can be made with this strategy. Anyways, once you found an article, just paste that text in this box right here. Then, scroll a little bit down and click I am not a robot. Now, that's going to rewrite the entire article for you. The context is pretty much the same, but it's using different words. It's using synonyms, and it's rewriting it in your own words. As you can see in this article, so it's changing words, which makes that article completely different and unique. So, you can copy that unique and rewritten article, and you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. The first website that we will be using is eatingwell.com. So, in this website, you can submit your own articles. You can write articles for these guys and get paid for doing. But now, instead of you doing all the hard work of writing those articles for days, if not even weeks, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high-quality articles. And these guys will pay you up to $1 per word. This is the first website. I have two more for you. How do you actually submit your articles to get paid? Well, on this page, you need to scroll a little bit down until you can find this section, where you can find their contact info and copy their email address. Go to your email and email them with the subject line, submission, or article submission, or something along those lines, and attach the file with your own article, which you created with spinbot.com. And once you send out that email, they will review it, and if they like, they will ask you for your payment details and tell them your payment details, may it be PayPal, bank transfer, or any payment option. Your options are endless because there are new articles on Google News coming in every couple of hours. So, you can use all those articles, rewrite them with spinbot.com, paste them into some Words document, and submit them to this website. The second website where you can submit your unique articles is at Sierraclub.org. In order to submit your articles through this website, you will have to find their contact information or email and email them your rewritten article. Again, you go over to your email and attach your unique article file with the subject line, submission, and submit your article. Now, with Sierraclub.org, you will not be able to submit health and fitness articles like we can on eatingwell.com. But you will need to find something related to technology or science. Those categories are much better suited for Sierraclub.org. For example, on the science category, find an article, open it up, copy its text, paste it in spinbot.com, let it rewrite for you, and submit it over to the Sierraclub.org email address. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is over at daily.jstor.org. You can go over to their submission guidelines so you can read more on how it works. These guys will pay a little bit less, but it's still a good website to use because you can earn some additional from this and maximize your resources with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that they will ask you only for a 2,000-word article and they will pay you around 31 cents for each word. So, it's not as high as the previous two websites, but it's still a decent money. 31 cents per word is not bad at all because it will quickly add up. The more articles submit on these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every article will be accepted, but even just one article per day that will pass their standards, that's still hundreds, if not up to $1,000 a day, just by copying and pasting. It is all free and you can immediately start with this strategy. Once again, let's summarize this. Go over to Google, go to Google News, select some of these categories from the left-hand side, select the article you like, select something that you think people will be interested in reading and that you think can be published on websites. So open up that article, copy its text, use Spinbot to make it unique, and submit. You can do this again and again for an unlimited time and will be able to collect some decent amount of money. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.